to Landling, Zambia.
Thank you. It's good to be here.
So, tell me what's happening at Calabash.
Apart from the TAZARA network, we're now operating also on the SNCC in Congo. So we're moving cargo, especially the zinc, from Lubumbashi up to Kapiri.
How are you doing with rolling stock?
Rolling stock has been a bit of a challenge. We still need some more capacity so that we can add the volumes. So we still have a bit of an issue there.
Okay. Are you looking to procure? Is there money to buy more?
At the moment, I can't say we've got the money to buy more unless we can, we can bring in some investors or something like that. Then we can try and double our capacity.
So talk to me about tonnages and volumes. I think pre-COVID you guys were moving quite a bit.
That's correct.
Have you recovered from the pre-COVID numbers?
Not really. What has also killed us in the past few months is the number of derailments.
Okay.
The infrastructure doesn't seem to be getting better, and we are hoping with the coming in of the Chinese, the line will get better and we can start now pushing for higher volumes.
So, but that's going to take a bit of time, so how are you going to manage that in the meantime?
In the meantime, we just have to use what we have to the best of our ability, maximize on the rolling stock, try to improve on the turnaround times.
Yes.
I think that's how we can try now to try and recover without maybe bringing in other partners. It's just to maximize on the utilization.
All right. Next steps for you guys? What does the next 6 months look like?
Next 6 months, we are working hard. We are putting up another facility, which will be a multi-user facility. And we're hoping that we can attract the mines that are within the Kapiri area so that they can bring the cargo into our depot in Kapiri.
All right, and then you can ship it out.
Yes.
Okay, and what else are you moving in terms of the freight that you move? What else is there?
Apart from the zinc, we're moving copper, we're moving sulfur, and other merchant goods, from Dar es Salaam into Kapiri.
Well, I wish you all the best and look forward to hearing you speak a little bit later. And it's great to see you again.